Good morning everyone. My name is Rosan Kumar and welcome back to my channel again. And this will be our third video on CSS. And here we will apply this CSS on our con- contact page. And this is our contact page actually. Yes, this is our contact page, and this is the CSS code which I have applied on that. So first one is a margin. So then this is the universal selector, and under this there is a margin padding 0 and box sizing box border box. So margin padding is 0. It gives the more control over margin and padding all over the web page. That's why we use this box sizing border box. It is used to basically it is. Suppose by default whenever we take the width of any elements, then it take just it measure the width only the content, not the padding and border. So after applying this if I given width is 200 pixel, then it includes border and padding. Now see, this is the body, and this is the css code which I have applied led on that on body. So there is a font family is the basically we used to give the style to the text, and the font size 1 rem. Line heights means what should be the difference between the two lines. Background color and padding, this is 2 rem, and mean height 100 vh. Means vh is full from view port height. And this is the css code which I have applied on h1 tag. This is the font size 2.5 rem. Color text align center, means text align center means it's basically gives your text to the position whether you want to left or right or center. So I have just aligned this text to the center. And this is the margin bottoms, gives the from the margin bottom. So from the bottom it gives the margin. And border from the border from the bottom it gives the border 3 megapixels. Padding bottom similar from the bottom. And here is the nav section css applied. I have applied the css on nav section. There is background color which I guess blue. Yeah, this is blue. And the border radius which is 10 pixels. And border radius just gives the this gives the curve to the edge of any elements. And padding is this 0.75. Padding is 0.75, and rem max with 900. And this is margin. Now similarly with this list style type means list style, basically it is this property is used to gives the bullet to the list items. This is display flex is used. Basically it's declare the before applying the display property, we declare the display we declare the flex. So um, for applying the flex, while applying the flex we use display property. And this is flex wrap and justify content. So flex wrap basically when it does not comes on the when suppose we have one div, and inside that div there are too many divs and they are not aligned in a one line. So it's get too much congested. So we use flex wrap so the it's smoothly aligned and in their proper, and it takes their proper space. And whatever comes according to that, the it's the inside whatever elements also cover comes under the uh, comes to align to the second lines. And gap foot. So basically gap is used to give the difference between the two items. So this is nav A. A is basically refers to the anchor tag here, text decoration that is underlined. So and color is property that is white padding 0.4 rem and 0.8 rem, border radius 6 pixel, and hover basically hover means just your cursor is on any element. Select there is feedback. My cursor is on feedback, so it's called hover. This state is called hover. So and cursor is pointer. So as you can see, this is the normal cursor, and when I reach to the migrate, so it's just convert to the finger, so it's called pointer. And this is called text cursor. And similarly with h1 and h2, sorry, h2 and h3 elements, and with similarly with the paragraphs, and here we use the id element tag, sorry, not id. And same with this element tag and h hover, text decoration underline. This is media query. The media query is basically used to make the web is responsive in the sense the when we don't know which type of device user will use to open any and open the web page. So we, according to the user, uh, we makes the site more attractive. So whenever user will open in any device, then they get a good experience with that page. So this is our contact page, and this is the code of this page. Hope you like this video, and see you soon. And well, good luck.